Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change WhatsApp font size. To do this, you just need to go to your WhatsApp app. First of all, I will show you the normal size of the font that we are using now on WhatsApp. After that, we are going to click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. After that, settings, and after that, we click on chats. Go to the option font size, and as you can see, we can change the font size to the large. We are using the medium now. Click OK, and now I will show you the font size, and as you can see, the font size now is bigger on our WhatsApp chat, and of course it will be big in all the other chats, individual chats or group chats. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and see you in the next one.